Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Jamaica air traffic controllers give the government 172-hour strike notice. Peter Bunting, or the opposition spokesman for national security, say him do the right thing when him give gun license to two smaddy where the firearm licensing authority say no forget gun. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett said the tourism sector a bounce back from the COVID-19 pandemic. The government give the go-ahead for 15,000 smaddy come watch the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship this year at the National Stadium. Now for the full tour of them. Jamaica air traffic controllers give the government 172-hour strike notice. The Jamaica Air Traffic Controllers Association put out the notice yesterday afternoon and said come Thursday, things now go normal at the Country 2 airport. The air traffic controllers are cussed for a while over some money talk with the government. As according to Kirk Salman, or the president for JACTA, what begs the members are when the finance ministry said they must take out some things where them are asked for after them are wait for one new wage agreement or long. Peter Bunting, or the opposition spokesman for national security, say him do the right thing when him give gun license to two smaddy where the firearm licensing authority say no forget gun. Last week, the Integrity Commission said when Bunting did the security minister, him did give gun license to smaddy who get charged for drug things in America and smaddy who people claim say do sex things to one little picnic. But Senator Bunting said him did take talk from people before he make them decision there, and him did act careful before him did make no decision. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett said the tourism sector a bounce back from the COVID-19 pandemic. As according to Minister Bartlett, 30,000 visitors coming to the country 2 main airport last weekend, and more people are going to come this month. On top of that, Bartlett said expect close to 35,000 visitors this weekend, and this is going to bring back the country to 2019 level, and him expect March to be the strongest month for the country since the pandemic started. One man from Jamaica gets sent to America for some lotto scam in charge. America Embassy put out yesterday afternoon said the man a Romario Murray and him wanted for one federal warrant for mail and wire fraud. The embassy said Mr. Murray did involved in a lotto scamming what took away US $300,000 from enough people. Gunman shot and killed one 44-year-old fisherman in front of his family in a Bar Hill, Portland yesterday morning. The dead man is Michael Davis. As according to reports, Mr. Davis and his family did come from one party around 2 o'clock when two gunmen attacked them. Them shot Mr. Davis and robbed him family member them some money. Mr. Davis dead at hospital. Now for sport. The government get to go ahead for 15,000 smaddy come watch the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletic Championship this year at the National Stadium. Champs are going to run from April 5th to 9th. As according to Keith Wellington, or the president for Issa, ticket are going to start sell after March 21, and people must register upon Issa website and show so them fully vaccinated for buy them ticket. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. in the morning to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.